Hello, my name is Manan Sharma. Registration number UR15CS050. So now I'm going to do my second part of second experiment of data structures lab. That is a conversion of infix expression to postfix expression and its evaluation using stack. Okay, so now I'm going to my coding. Okay. So here what I'm doing is I'm initializing many variables of various data types. So mainly I'm using three functions, that is push C, pop C, and infix to postfix. Push C I'm using for pushing the expression in the stack. Pop C I'm using for popping the expression from the stack, and then infix to postfix I'm using for the conversion of the expression. So here, as we can see, we have one infix variable. We are using two string functions, that is string copy and string concatenate. So here we have two string functions, that is okay. So infix expression, the expression, it contains the expression which we have to convert. So what we are doing is we are copying the expression into this variable, and then by using string copy we are assigning a open bracket in this expression. So by using concatenate, we are giving the expression into this expression, infix expression, that is the opening bracket is followed by the expression, and then it is followed by the closing brackets. So we are using string functions for the implementation of the brackets, and then we are using a for loop to check all the characters in the expression, for checking all the characters in the expression individually. So okay, so we're using if else statements, that is if else if ladder. So the main concept of the program is to check to encounter any brackets, that is if any opening bracket is encountered in the expression, it will push it into the stack, and then the operators follows, that is the precedence of the operators. The power operator has the most precedence, then the multiplication and division operators has the lower precedence, and then the addition and subtraction operators have the least precedence. Okay, so what it will do is, if any opening brackets is encountered, it will be pushed into the stack, and if any closed bracket is encountered, it will be popped out. Okay, so here we are checking all the operators. If any multiplication or division operator is encountered, the it will pop out the operator, and it will get stored into the temporary variable. So then it will check the precedence, that is the power operator has the most precedence, as I told, and then the multiplication and division. So what we're doing is, as you can see, we are concatenating the temporary variable into the postfix expression, and then and if further any operator is present in the stack, it will get popped out until the stack is empty. So here also again we're doing the same thing. We are checking the addition operator and the subtraction operator, and again we are using again we are if any addition operator or subtraction operator is encountered, we are going to pop out the operator from the stack, and we are going to store it in the temporary variable, and again we are using can concatenate to store the post expression. And okay, so it will check character. Here we are using cout statement for printing the post expression, and then we have our main function. So we are using a do while loop for the convenience of the user, that is to run the function again and again. And we are calling infix to postfix function, that is it will call this function and perform the function again as per the user's command. So if the user want to continue, he wants to check more infix expression, he can continue. We have an option. So now we are going to run the program. Okay, so it's asking me to enter the infix expression. Then at last I'm going to use the power operator. So okay, as we can see, the we have entered infix expression and the conversion is being performed. So as we can see, the power has a most precedence. So first it will if any power operator is encountered, it will it will have the most precedence. So it will be converted. So as you can see, the power function is being converted first, then the division, then the subtraction, and least, and the last we have our then the addition, and at the last we have our subtraction operator. So do you want to continue? No? Okay. Thank you.